Okay, I feel comfortable with this. We have our overlap going from right here all the way over to here, and the leak was about right in here. So we have good overlap. We have an extra layer there, which doesn't really matter. Now, we could run into the same issue over here, but we haven't yet. So I'm going to, it might be the way the roof is. You see how it's a little lower right here? So it's going to tend to go away from the joint. Well, I don't know. It still could come from there and come over to here. But it hasn't, so I'm going to leave that alone for right now. And we'll just keep an eye on it, see if it does do it. Because with the other layer on there, it's going to even decrease the chance. But remember over here, we had one that was right next to the edge I said was interesting. So after seeing what that one was caused by, I was thinking this is probably the same thing, because the leak is like right in here. I don't know if we can see it, maybe right there. Which puts us again right there, right where we have a splice. And I don't know why, but I only have like 4 to 5 inch overlap here. That is not enough. So I think that's a mistake on my part. So what I'm going to do is clean the ice off here. Maybe I'll do it with my hands, I'm not sure. And then pull probably about 3 or 4 screws. Go get another piece of metal and put it right in here underneath. So that'll greatly extend our overlap, and then we'll be good. Should take care of that leak too. I would love to do something with the others, but I don't really want to get up on the roof with snow on. It's too dangerous and it's too wet. Okay, but we can take care of these two.